Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm back for another Fitness Friday video, and we're going to be doing the monster walk to grow our hip area and side booty muscles. So we're going to start by using the resistance bands. I love resistance bands. They add extra tension and help you grow those muscle groups. So to do the monster walk, basically you'll squat down at the hips and then step forward using your left leg and your right leg. So just bend it at the knees and bend at the hips, hands on the hips, and step forward almost like you're a monster. That's why they call it the monster walk. So you're stepping forward and then moving your foot out, left then right. And I do this 12 times. I'll go back around the other way and do it 12 times once again. Now, in order to increase the muscle size, you would have to increase resistance. There aren't really weights that you can use to increase the size of the glute muscles in this exercise. All of this is about tension. So you would use a higher resistance band to continuously grow this muscle. So it's important that as you're going through your sets, you can increase the resistance on the resistance band, or you could just keep it the same, but that tightens the muscle. So just remember that the more you challenge your muscles, the easier it is to grow. So that's what I do. As you can see, it's sore around the hip area, and I guess I'll see you next Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.